to watch this video if you're not a trader looking for a clear and consistent market perspective. Today, we're going to learn about a really perfect and practical tool which you can use it in your strategy, make better decisions, and get more profit. And let me tell you about more advantages later. So stay with me and improve your trading skills. Hi dear traders, welcome to BaseOfTrading YouTube channel, the ultimate resource for anyone looking to dive deep into the world of Forex trading. Today, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an amazing tool. But before that, let me tell you about Renko charts. Maybe you're familiar with that, but if not, this is a Renko chart. A graphical display that only involves the price movement. Time and volume are not included. Let me compare this to a candlestick chart for better understanding. A candlestick chart would add new bars based on time, but Renko chart add new bars based on price. Now let's check out the advantages of Renko chart. The first one is easier analysis of support and resistance, and identifying the trends in a more clean way. It also removes market noise. An important point is it's suitable for scalping or short-term trading. You can better determine the stop loss or TP of your orders. Renko chart minimize overtrading and increase your patience, which make you a better trader. But now, let me introduce you our amazing indicator that has all these advantages that I've told you and even so much more. Let me tell you something, it's completely free. Our indicator named Basic Renko. Powerful tool for traders looking for a clear and consistent market perspective. Our indicator not only simplifies trend visualizations, but also offers accurate alerts for reversals, providing a strategic edge in your trading. Now let's see how this indicator displays on your chart. Here, I drag Basic Renko to the chart. It beautifully shows you everything you need. These numbers are the number of bars that it takes to create a new box. And for example, here is about the reversal alert that I've told you. This is where our indicator would notify you that a reversal is coming. That's unbelievable, isn't it? You can make this much profit. That's perfect. This indicator is fully customizable. You can tailor the indicator to your business preferences with advanced customization options. From color to box size, you have full control over how information is displayed on your chart. And now about reversal alert. You can be the first to know about potential changes in market direction with our reversal alerts. This allows you to make informed and timely decisions to maximize your profit and minimize your losses. That is exactly why I've told you we offer much more advantages. Before checking the input of this indicator, I have to tell you something. Nowadays, it's really hard to find free tools that they are practical. But accept this indicator that it's completely free and this is really practical. We have so many free indicators. For example, the previous video which was about moving averages. If you haven't watched it, I'm sharing the link up here so you can easily click on it and go watch that. But now, let's check the input of this indicator together. Here, from this window, here we have box size, it's based on points and you can easily change it. Here we have upward box color and downward box color. Here we have box opacity, it is the amount of opacity between 0 to 100. Transparency increases as opacity decreases. And then here we have text color, it's the color of the numbers that count the number of bars in each box. And here we have font size. The size of the numeric text, and here is max bars. It's the maximum number of bars for which the indicator will perform calculations. 0 means all available bars. Now this is pop-up alert. This is the alert when a reversal is happening, and here we have push notification. It's the notification to your phone and when a reversal occurs, and this is email notification. It's also for when a reversal is happening. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will be so glad if you use this indicator, and here in the comment, share your experiments with us. And also if there is any question, you can share with us by your comment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification because the next videos that we are about to upload them are super cool. Don't miss them. And as always, let's go.